Okay, now we'll continue with brochure understanding. Okay, so this is called a brochure. Okay, effective brochure. Okay, what are the things that needs to be included in a brochure? Okay, brochure is that thing which every construction requires. Whenever construction is made, they prepare a brochure which consists the details of the amenities they are presenting or the specifications presented it, the facilities they are providing, the location where they are situated, and what is the construction made in it. So every detail could be seen in a brochure. So the preparation of brochure is different for different people. They some are doing very elaborately, very big one, some make a small one, but these are the basic things that needs to be considered inside it. So we can see that the points in it, that how to make an effective brochure. These are the some common points are the specific points. To choose the paper you will use for printing, and according to your means your requirements or your wish or what the plannings you have done for a project, first you have to prepare a paper where you could print, write an attractive headline which generally attracts people. Whenever you make a brochure, if you have a proper headline, the name of the brochure is, the name of the construction is always unique and it is almost present in it, but you have to make an attractive headline regarding which would be easy for the marketing people to grasp the customers easily. Put a lot of pictures on a flyer, or at least make it proper. It should not be that dull or very colorful. Yes, it should be appropriate. It must contain some amount of pictures in it. Keep descriptions and explanations brief. Okay, if I mention some amenities such as it is vitrified flooring, so you don't need to give the definition of vitrified, definition of floor, what is kitchen, what is this. You don't have to give any descriptions regarding the amenities or the specifications, anything. Yes, you can describe, the description is only made regarding the constructions or the builders prior experiences. Sales focused language should be used. Include contact information. Is when you give a brochure, if okay, it must include your contact. हाँ पर ये नहीं है ना. It must include contact information, because if someone takes your brochure, then if he likes it and if he wants to contact you, then you must consider your contact number as well as the address which is comfortable for him to visit, and he could discuss regarding the buying or selling of it. Okay. So these are some of the pictures that depict the things present inside a brochure. Okay. The amenities are specified in such a way. Okay, the pictures of the areas or the things they are providing, they provide some pictures, and the amenities are presented. There is a place where specifications are given. Amenities are generally the things that the flat, that the apartment gives you or the builder has constructed, which is regarding the building only. Means, for example, child play park or amphitheater, which is present and which could be used by all. And specifications are generally those things which are included inside your flat. A particular flat you have taken, the type of things you have in kitchen, the type of floorings in the living room, living area or the bedroom. So all those specifications of particular rooms are generally given in case of specifications, and amenities consist of the facilities given for the whole apartment. This is a floor plan which shows the number of floors present and how the odd and even floors, the way from which room to which room, the lift areas, and all these things are considered in this. And the carpet areas, terrace areas, sellable areas are also mentioned. Carpet area is that area which is basically used, the place to live in or the place utilized, the place which is utilized by us is generally considered to be the carpet area. And terrace is also included in carpet area. And sellable area is that including the walls and all, the total area you live in. So that is considered in case of sellable area.
What about the loading?
Sorry?
Loading?
Next session.
Yes, that will be informed to you in the core real estate. The next session we are going to have is core. This is fundamentals of real estate. So next is that location map. The location map is very necessary. It must be very specific so that people would be able to reach your place, reach the construction through your location map only. And it also requires the distances, the main distances that could be helpful, could be a part of marketing also. that what are the things near, what are the things nearer to it. Generally the places which is used or required means the bus stop, what is the distance from a railway station, the things that could be basically used or basically required for the people to go or travel, or the schools, colleges, which would be helpful, the grocery markets and all. So what is the distance? Okay, now I want two of you to come here and explain a brochure. If you are a marketing guy, then how is it, how are you going to sell your product? First you have to give the description of your brochure. So how you will describe? Okay, first let me brief it. The first page, I have distributed some brochures. The first page consists of the name of the builder, or the especially the name title given to the construction. Okay, this is Kohinoor Begonia, the title which is given. And next page consists of the specifications in it. Okay, the description is not really required. If you have any specific points, you can mention it, of course, but the specifications are given. Okay, next, the amenities are provided. So you could click some amenities which the customer would be attracted, and you have the plan of the house, okay, and the location map which tells that what is a particular area where they can reach. So I want two of you to come one by one and describe it. Okay, so first I call upon, who could be able to explain? Shailendra sir, you come and explain first. Okay, anything you could explain, you could describe. Okay, yes.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। किस एरिया में प्रॉपर्टी पर्टिकुलर सर्च कर रहे हैं? आपको कौन सा एरिया ऐसा लगता है जो आपके कन्वेंस के थ्रू कन्विंसिंग रहेगा उसमें?
तलेगांव एरिया में चाहिए।
तलेगांव में, ओके, नो डाउट अबाउट। मैम हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट है तलेगांव में, दैट इज़ कोहिनूर बेगोनिया। ये कोहिनूर एसोसिएट का प्रोजेक्ट है। जो डेवलपर्स हैं मिस्टर चिकली एंड मिस्टर देशमुख हैं। ये ऑलरेडी सिटी के अंदर और सिटी के नियर आसपास के एरिया में बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट कर चुके हैं। और प्रेजेंट टाइम पे हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है दैट इज कोहिनूर बेगोनिया, ये ऑलरेडी 2 3 4 5 6 विंग्स का है। ओके, इट्स ए 6 विंग प्रोजेक्ट और सारे स्पेशियस फ्लैट हैं, लग्जरीज फ्लैट हैं। इसमें 1 BHK भी है, 2 BHK। आप क्या सर्च करना चाह रहे हैं, 1 BHK और 2 BHK?
1 BHK चाहिए।
1 BHK चाहिए। ओके मैम, किस एरिया में, कौन सा, मतलब ऐसा कितना एरिया आपको मैक्सिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है? ओके, 500 स्क्वायर फीट्स में हमारा 1 BHK है। 500 तो नहीं मिलेगा मैम, उससे थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएगा, 610 स्क्वायर फीट्स। ओके, इट्स अ फ्लोर प्लान। ये एंट्रेंस वे है, ये वास्तु के हिसाब से डेवलप किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी। ये जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है, ये सारे हमारे स्पेशियस फ्लैट हैं। जैसे कि आपने बोला कि आपको 1 BHK की रिक्वायरमेंट है। ये 610 स्क्वायर